Hello. I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add animations to your logo in Shopify. And basically, I have told the method to add the animations for Dawn theme and the Horizon theme. Uh, this is the video I was trying to make for a very long time, and the reason I was hesitating to make it because I want to come up with the method that works best for both the themes. As you know that the coding structure for both of the themes is different, so there should be a way that works for both themes actually. So now I have the whole code and I will provide you for free of cost, no strings attached. Okay, so let me tell you, first of all we will discuss the method for the Dawn theme. And basically this video is that you already have a logo and you want to add the animations. There are five type of animations that you can add. Okay, so there is another type of video. If you search on YouTube, this is how to add an animated logo. That is that how you can add the GIF logo to a Shopify store. That's something that doesn't require a tutorial. You can just create a GIF in any in any software you want, and then you can upload it. That's not something we should discuss. This is the thing that if you want to add the animations, this is the something which is a little tricky, and you may require some developer to do it. There are a lot of niches that require such type of animations. So don't think like this then that why I need the animation in the first place. You could have the requirement in the future, so save this video. It could save you a lot. It could save a lot of hours for you. So first of all, we will do for the Dawn theme. For so I will start the tutorial step by step for both Dawn and Horizon themes. Go to theme settings and click on custom CSS. Add the following code. So you don't have to go into the theme code. You we will do everything within the theme customization. Okay. So for example, I have opened the Dawn theme. As you can see, I have added a different kind of logo, which is a clock. And what you have to do, you have to click on theme setting, and then you have to click on custom CSS. You have added the complete code that I have added. So starting from this one, keyframe spin, this for the spin. And now you have like wiggle, you have breathe, you have pulse, you have shake. So there are five types of animation code, CSS code that I have added. So you will have to add this code till this. Now for the Dawn theme, go to custom CSS for the header and add the following line of code. So you have to copy paste this line and add in the custom CSS of the header. So you don't have to go into the theme setting or theme code. You have to do everything within the theme customization. That's the best thing. One thing I want to clarify is that it is not a good approach to add every CSS within the theme setting or theme customization. But for the things that you want to do repeatedly, one or two tasks, you can add the code within the theme customization. Otherwise it's the best approach that you add the code within the base.css or the css file separately. So you have to copy this code now. Oh, sorry. You copy this code, and now you have to click on the header, and then within the header you have to go and click on custom CSS. Okay, and as you can see, the class name for the logo in Dawn theme is header heading logo. Okay, so you just have to add this code animation spin to 2 second lead infinite. So best thing I want to show you, if you are not happy with the spin, you have the options and you just have to change the name. For example, if you want a different animation, you again have to go to theme settings, no theme code. Okay, within theme customization. Okay, now I want a wiggle. I don't want this thing, I want wiggle or breathe or something like this. So you just have to add the code once, and now you just have to do wiggle instead of spin. You just have to play with the names now, so it will save. Now it is wiggling. You can also increase the the time duration also, but it's up to you. So wiggle, the next animation I want to do is breathe. Now how the breathe actually works. So very simple to change the animations if you want. Breathe. Yeah, I think this was the spelling. Breath. I guess. Yeah, breath. Yeah, for spelling T. Yeah, as you can see, fine. Breathe. Then we have The wiggle was working fine. Breathe, pulse, and shake. Pulse will also work fine. So the reason that these are working because we have added the definition of these animations within the theme custom CSS. Okay, that's the reason when you just write the animation name, it is working. Pulse and shake. We have to check the pulse. So as you can see, pulse is working also fine. Shake. This is funny. One hack I want to tell you, I have added with this animation. If you don't want the logo and you just want the animation when you hover over the logo, the process is very easy. So you just have to type here logo and hover. That's it. This is a quick CSS hack. And now it is not animating. So when someone will hover on it, it will do something like this. You can also add the click colon hover. So anything you can do within the CSS. So this is works like hover. So I hope the things are clear. This is for the Dawn theme and how it works for the horizon theme. Let me tell you. So I am in the horizon theme, and as you can see, the logo is already rotating, so it is working already fine. So what you have to do, if you read my documentation for both Dawn and horizon, you have to do the same step. You have to add the custom CSS within the theme setting. That's it. So the first step is simple. You have to click on theme setting and then custom CSS, and then you have to add this code. The second step is a little different. For Dawn theme, you have to add this code, and for the horizon theme, you have to add this code. And I have written you can replace pin with wiggle, breathe, pulse, or shake. You have like 5 options. So you have to go to section, then header, and then yeah, in some cases you have to add this line after clicking on the header. Sorry, you have to add this line and it will work. Same, you can just change the animation style and it will work. It will only work. These animations will only work if you add the definition within the theme settings. So you can also add this definition within the base.css. It's up to you. It's up to you. This is the most easy method that I have told. So let's check something. It is working fine. So I have style. So let's see if shake is working or not. Yeah, shake is working fine. And again, just to show you, hover is also working fine in horizon theme. So no worry at all. It should work. Uh, So for the horizon theme, hover was not working in the theme customization, so I have just saved it, and now if I hover on it, it's working fine. So the code is fine, but there was some issue in the theme customization. If like we do wiggle on hover, it works the same as a theme, but I think it's my responsibility to do the complete testing for you. So I'll click on save, and then we will see if it is working fine or not. Hover was not included in the tutorial, but while making this tutorial, I thought to just make sure that it is working fine because I want to give you some gift as well. So let's see if the vehicle is working fine or not. As you can see, it is working fine. So we are not with hover, just delete it. And as you can see, this approach is working really fine. I have done the testing within this tutorial. And you have to, for the both themes, you have to add the custom CSS within the theme settings, custom CSS, and then you have to click on header